Nandito kami sa may London today and it's very cold. Yeah. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Sobrang lamig. So, kami ay maglalakwat siya. We wanna see the Christmas lights around London. So, that's the main reason. Ba't kami naandito ngayon? So, there. Yay! We're out. And it's very cold. We are heading to Winter Wonderland. So, let's check there. See that? Tayo papunta. And this is my outfit. Can you video my outfit lang? That's my outfit. Pero yan, punta tayo ng Winter Wonderland. Tignan namin kung anong situation dun. Friday kasi ngayon, baka maraming tao. So kapag medyo okay dun, we will try to get in. So there. Guys, kung makikita nyo, doon yung Buckingham Palace. Ayan. But we're not going there. Hindi kami dyan pupunta. So, lakarin namin. Hindi ko alam kung saan patungo, but may mga signs kasi once you get into underground, may mga signs doon na nakasulat na going to Winter Wonderland. Just follow it. So, finalo lang namin. Very cold today. Hindi ko sure kung negative degree ngayon. But the last time na chinek ko, it's -3. Sorry?
Japanese embassy.
Oh, my. So, there. Maaraw naman. Lumalabas yung araw pa minsan-minsan. But it's, hindi mo siya maramdaman. Masinag lang. But it's still cold. Can you see my ano? Tas kanina, parang umaambon siya ng snow. Kanina. Pero hindi siya super obvious
It's
na.
brighter than Croydon.
Yeah. Mag-i-stay kami tonight here, pero hindi sa mismong London. Oh, it's still London, but not in central London. Mag-i-stay kami for a night. Then, uwi kami bukas. Yay! So, natatanaw na namin ang Winter Wonderland. Pero guys, wala pa kaming ticket. Kailangan may ticket dito eh. Hindi ako nag-book yet kasi gusto ko munang malaman yung situation sa loob. Baka, ang dami kasi nagsasabi na sobrang busy and baka hindi naman namin ma-enjoy. So, I think pwede ka naman yata bumili ng ticket pag nandito ka na. So, tignan natin. Kung hindi, edi nga. Though, I think pwede pa naman mag-book. Grabe yung queue. Grabe yung queue. Sobrang haba. So, there's 2 gates, like green gate and blue gate. So, yung blue gate going to the ice skating ring. Sa pangmamalamigang ano, what do you call that? I don't know. Parang saying. But, what's that? Sobrang haba ng pila. No re-enter. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng green gate. We'll try there. We got a ticket. So, nakabili kami ng entrance. How much ba? 17 yata yung binayaran ko. Dalawa kami. How much is per person? 6 pounds. 6 pounds isang tao, adult. So we're going to Green Park.
We're near Harrods here.
Is it?
Not.
So there you go. Nice.
This one.
This way. Thank you. Let's get in. Dito na kami guys. Kaso ang lakas ng ano. Again, love.
There you go.
Guys, galing kami dyan sa Bavarian Village. And what do you say?
It's alright.
Yeah, it's okay. Ano siya, para ka nakasakay sa train. Ano tawag sa, para ka nakasakay sa isang cart. And then may VR ka.
That was crap.
Yeah, so ayaw na rin. Hindi ko rin siya gaanong bet. And hindi siya super Christmassy. It's yung theme niya. Parang it's just
Yeah,
weird.
that was a bit honestly.
Yeah, hindi namin gusto. And that is 9 pounds per head. So, ayun. May mga tinda sila dito prep. 6 pounds. Gutom ako pero ang mahal dito guys, sa mahal. Series, nagisimula na siyang mag-drink. So, let's go. Oh, they have potatoes. I like that one. Meron akong barbecue. Reese has that one. Salt. How is it? Crispy. Kain tayo.
Napkins, or do you have to
Kain
pay
tayo.
for those?
I have here.
What plate did you get?
Barbecue, but I can taste it. Yeah. Thank you. Guys, we're here sa may parang food court nila na may entertainment doon. And na-vlog ko ba kanina? And yeah, ang ganda dito. Ang lamig kasi sa labas kaya pumasok muna kami dito and kumain kami ng chicken. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi may nagpe-perform doon so maingay. Baka makapiright lang tayo, di ba? So, ayun. We're having drinks, having prosecco, and Reese is having beer. Ganda-ganda dito. Look at the lights. Maraming mga kainan dito. But, of course, pricey siya. Yung kinain namin ni Reese, half of chicken siya. That is 19 pounds. May 2 sides na siya. So, ayun. Dito lang kami, chill. And then, iikutin namin yung parang nakakakalahati pa lang kami sa Winter Wonderland. So, iikutin namin siya. Check namin kung may available sa may, what do you like? Ice bar?
Try it.
Yeah, and then, we'll try that.
Just to experience it.
Yeah, just to experience. Ilang naman yung gusto ko dito. Gusto ko lang makita kasi every year ginagawa pala nila to. So, and this is also his first time in Winter Wonderland. So, it's nice to experience it. It's expensive daw, but hindi mo naman siya aaraw-arawin or palaging pupuntahan like every year. Well, if you want to, you can, but it's nice to see and experience what happening here in the Winter Wonderland. Guys, dito kami sa may ice bar. Oh my gosh. now, kalabas na kami sa may Winter Wonderland. And we are very, very cold na. And we're heading to Harrods. Tingin kami din ng mga Christmas stuff. Yeah. Very, popular mall dito. So, that.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hello guys! Update. Nakabili ako ng ahat. And guess what? Sa Uniqlo ko ito nabili. And this is for kids. So, ang mura ko siyang nabili. And marami pa ako nabili. Char, marami talaga. Ano lang yan, Heat Tech. And all of them are for kids. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. It's very cold na. Naghahanap na lang kami ng mauupuan ni Riz. And then, baka mag-dinner na kami and then we are heading off to our accommodation kung saan kami mag-i-stay tonight. So, yun lang. Mag-aalas 9 na rin and our feet, ang aming mga paa ay talagang masakit na. Kung sa paglalakad apakalamig talaga dahil. I'm not very sure what is the temp at the moment, but Ibang level yung lamig. Nagnanam. Etong camera ko, hindi ko na siya ma-press ng maayos. Kung ipi-flip ba, or picture ba, o camera. Hindi ko, kakaloka. Ewan. Kasi nga, sa lamig, hindi ko na maramdaman kung napipindot ko pa ba yung play or what. It's so cold. And kung may narinig kayo nagsisigawan, that's that. My ice skate ring. Tama ba yan, oh? Grabe sila magsigawan dyan. And yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami ngayon dito. Hindi ko alam, ano ba, lutang na ako. But anyway, I'll be back later. Hello! Char. So today, So, nandito na kami sa hotel. It's almost 12 o'clock. 12:26. Yan. Oop. Basta yan. 11:26 na. And kararating lang namin sa hotel. And I just want to show yung mga napamili ko. Okay? So, pumunta kami ng Uniqlo. Ang dami nang pinuntahan. So, the reason why we're here is just to see the beauty of London during Christmas time. Kasi maganda yung mga lights nila dito. Tapos, nagpunta nga kami kanina sa Winter Wonderland. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog doon kasi nga, ang daming mga Christmas songs, ang daming mga nagkakantahan, and hindi siya maganda pang vlog, ganon. And sobrang lamig din yung aking mga kamay. It's not just me. For sure, lahat ng tao na naandoon, nagnanab ang kanilang mga kamay. And nahihirapan ako mag-vlog kasi nga hindi ko na maramdaman kung napipress ko ba yung play button or na-picture ba yung napipindot ko o yung video, alam niyo yun. So, hindi talaga ako makapag-focus mag-vlog. And, ayun na nga, pagpuntan after namin ng Winter Wonderland, nagtingin-tingin lang kami ng mga streets, naglakad-lakad kami to see the Christmas lights kasi ang gaganda nga talaga ng mga Christmas lights. Every street, yung mga kilalang street here in London, may mga kanya-kanya silang pasabog. Meron dong angels, meron namang universe ang peg, meron namang mga ano ba, yung mga pa-star-star lang, basta maraming klaseng pailaw. And yun, pumunta kami ng Uniqlo. Nagtingin-tingin kami sa mga stores. Actually, meron ko sa akong bet na gustong bilhin na sapatos from New Balance. Yung bagong, I think, isa yun sa mga bagong labas ng New Balance na na shoes, and I really wanna get that for Christmas. Siguro bibilin ko siya for myself, parang pamasko ko para sa sarili ko. But anyway, in Uniqlo, ito yung nakuha natin. I have 5 items and all of them are in kid size. So, nakatipid tayo ng bonggang-bongga. So, the first item that I got is this one. Wala pa akong ganito na yung sleeveless siya. Yung mga ganito ko kasi is may mga manggas. Yung mga long sleeve siya, ganyan. And I don't have white color pa. So, ayan, nabili ko. This is for only 20 pounds. So, 19 pounds and 90 pence. So, 20 pounds siya. Sa kid size. Ang kid size na kinuha ko is 13. And pack na pack siya. Try natin. Chinek ko sa adult size. This is 30 pounds. 30 pounds to sa adult size. And girl. Kasya naman yung adult size. Ako'y small or extra small. But this one is 13. And look. Look. Maganda ba yung lighting? Hindi ko alam kung maganda yung lighting. But that's that. See? Kasha. Ang mura pa. This is only for 20 pounds. Girl. Aarte ka pa ba? So, yan. 20 pounds. And again, sa pangmatanda or pang-adult size, this is 30 pounds. So, ang laki ng natipid natin. Like 10 pounds. The next one is, ito. Bumili ako ng mga heat tech na mga pangloob. Like long sleeves, tsaka leggings. Though may marami na ako mga leggings na heat tech, pero kumuha pa ako ng isa kasi the best talaga ang Uniqlo when it comes sa mga heat tech eh. Talagang I can say okay na okay. Wait. And then meron din akong long sleeve na kinuha. I have black and navy blue. Navy blue kumuha ako kasi pwede ko siyang masuot pang ilalim sa aking uniform sa trabaho. So, 13 din yung size. I actually wanna try it. May mga sample naman doon na kung ano yung sukat. May mga nakasample naman doon kung gaano kalaki yung 13. And, hindi ko siya trinay. Sinilip ko lang, parang tinansya ko lang na ganyan sa katawan ko. And, girl, okay na okay siya. So, check natin ito. Again, this is 13 size. Pang kids. Oy, pak na pak sa akin to. I think, mahaba pa. Sakto lang. So, ang kapal din niya. Sa loob, ganyan siya. Makapal siya. Oh, love it. Pagdating sa mga heat tech, the best talaga ang Uniqlo. So, ito black yan. Hindi ko nabubuksan yung iba. And I also got this, ito nga. Nabuksan ko pa ba? Sige, tignan natin. 13 din yung size nito. And, ganyan siya. Saktong-sakto yung haba nito sa akin. Ayan. So, I'm happy for what I bought. This is 12 pounds and 90p. So, ano siya, 13 pounds. And sa adult, nakita ko, this is 20 pounds. So, ang laki na natipid ko talaga. And bukod dyan, nung nakaraan, hindi ko yata na 522. So, nakaraan din, nagpunta ako ng Uniqlo. And may nabili din ako. May nabili akong ganito. Sa kid size din siya. Pero mustard naman yung color niya. Mustard ba color ng ganun? Basta parang yellow ang kulay niya. Pero may long sleeve naman. And sa kids ko din siya nabili. For only, siguro nabili ko yung mga 30 pounds. Tapos mga nasa 40 siya sa adults size. O, diba? Yun lang yung mga nabili ko. At saka ito pa pala. Uniqlo din. Tiras! Kid size and look. Ano to? Medium large yung size nito. Walang XL eh. And pakak na pakak siya kasi sa loob may ganyan siya. So, talagang panglaban talaga siya sa lamig. And yeah, that's it for today. Matutulog na kami. Matutulog agad. Mag-get ready. Mag-get ready sa pagtulog. Gusto mo yun? And yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. See you later. Bye-bye!
Doesn't matter if the snow